Hi, I hope you're doing great. So, how many of you have already started going through the course? Super action takers. Thank you. And how many of you are yet to start the course? So, what's blocking you? We'll address that as well in this session, right? So, first of all, thank you so much for your interest to learn from me as your mentor, teacher, trainer, guide, coach, consultant, whatever you wish to call me, because you're trusting your time with me. There are a lot of things going on everywhere, and still you decided to opt in for this pro course, free course, and willing to learn. So I'll make sure that you get the most of your time with me via recorded courses, and I'm going to help you understand how you can make the most of this course. So, how many of you would like to learn how to make this the most of this course that you have opted in for? Thank you. Right. So what we will cover in this video, I'll talk about the bonuses. Right. I will talk about how you can attend live sessions with me and get your doubts clarified, questions answered. Right. And how you can reach us via WhatsApp and email, and how you can continue to stay connected with us. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the bonuses. So, how many of you are interested to know what these bonuses are and how you can access them and how are they going to help you, right? Thank you. So now your bonus number one is my ebook on entrepreneurship, which I have co-authored with my life partner and business partner, Ankur, and it is 245 pages. So please go over it, because there are across our 14 years of entrepreneurship, across 7 diverse businesses since 2006. We have covered various aspects of starting your business from scratch and scaling your businesses. Okay? So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, or if you're already in business and having some business challenges, operational challenges, marketing challenges, sales challenges, team related challenges, finance related challenges, cash flow issues, you must read that book. You are now. Let me also show you how you can access those the bonuses. Okay, so your bonus number one is a book on entrepreneurship called "You Can Do It." Right now, bonus number two is asking right questions, right? So most of the time the websites are simply dead. If you have a website, they are like simply lying stagnant and you're not generating any leads. It is not working like an online office for you. So there are various components of a lead generating website, a credible website. So it is very important that simply asking people to create your website versus having a proper strategy in place when creating your website. And I do understand that non-techie entrepreneurs don't. It is very important to understand what is it that you should ask from your team who is building your website. So I prepared this bonus for you with my 24 years of professional life, various learnings, 77 questions that you must ask when building your website or creating your web presence. So these are just 10 pages, okay, but very, very resourceful. It is going to empower you very much. So it's called Asking Right Questions. That's your bonus number two, right? Would you be interested to know, learn more about that? Would you be interested to take a deep dive into those questions, right? If yes, that's bonus for you. Bonus number three. Now, see, online world, what you need first is getting attention of your clients, your target audience. And for getting attention, it is very important to write catchy headlines, okay? Headlines that will attract attention. So, just like in newspapers, when you look at the headline and then you decide whether you want to read the article in magazines, right? Same thing in the online world. It's very important to have a catchy headline. So I have also created a catchy headline, blueprint for you, where a lot of examples are given, and also a do-it-yourself kind of fill in the blanks format is also given. So it is just 7 pages, but again, it is going to reduce your learning curve trying to find out on your own, hours of effort squeezed in just 7 pages. Do make the most of it. Your bonus number four is videos, right? I still see many people either a camera shy, which is an internal challenge to handle. More than that, we have this things in our mind that it has to be a perfect video, and you need to invest in a photo shoot or a video shoot, and the editing required, high-end tools, the cost of video recording is too high. But there are low-cost options to record your videos. Okay, very, very low cost, almost free. You can record it, right? Using Zoom, you can record it free, and keep it. If you practice it enough, there will be no need of editing much. There are simpler tools that you can use for editing your videos. Again, not a much cost. Free tools are there, but they will leave their what do you say, logo, watermark logo. But paid tools, some of them that I use, very, it is $8 or $9 a month, less than 1,000 rupees kind of a month. So these are, but your editing needs should be less. If you have more editing needs, then these are very time-consuming processes. So a lot of options are available. It's just that you must know. But more importantly, this bonus talks about why you must be creating videos with a sense of urgency. Okay, if you would like to stay in business in the coming years, you cannot avoid making videos. The earlier you get on board, the better. This bonus will show you enough need why you must create videos. Okay, so these are the 4 bonuses. Now, ideally, I would like you to access only one bonus at a time. Now, I've given you all the 4 bonuses. So the links to the bonuses are given in the YouTube description below. Okay, the links to access your bonuses, all the 4 bonuses are given in the YouTube video that you're watching right now below. Now you can download all together, or you can access it one at a time. I'm recommending you to do it one at a time, whatever is your need right now. Okay, and finish that, because I see we have a tendency to accumulate, and then we get this comfort feeling, I will see it later, but that never happens. Okay, because life takes over, too many things happening right now. So ideally, if you go one step at a time, take one thing at a time and complete it, tick it off, go through it, finish it, done and dusted, and have the learnings and see how you can apply. So my recommendation to you is, please open only one bonus at a time, finish it, then only move to next bonus, right? Do I have your agreement for that? Okay, I'm assuming I have your agreement. Thank you so much, right? So now let's look at how you can access your bonuses. I'm just going to do a share screen, and I'll just show you how you can access your bonuses, right? So the same way you can access all other bonuses, I'm just going to take one example. See, the moment you get this bonus, right, you get the link to the bonus, you click on that link. It will take you to a page like this, right? It is free for you, right? So you go and claim that bonus, right? The moment you fill in your details, right, you will get an option to download it here itself. Okay, if you click on this, you will get an option to download. You will also receive email from InstaMojo with all the details in your inbox about the bonus. Let me show you that as well. Let me see the mail ID that I've given. Okay, so this is the bonus. I'll open it for you in the meantime my mail is opening up, right? So this is the bonus. Okay, this is the book on entrepreneurship. So these are not any, okay, so I have been a victim of many programs in the market where a lot of things have been said but not delivered, right? So I'm not one among them. So please don't put me in that category. Whatever I have promised, I'm definitely going to give you much more than that, right? So all these bonuses are relevant bonuses, and they are useful. And I'm also going to be sharing with you how are these bonuses useful for you, right? So there are a lot of business insights that we have gathered across now it is almost 15 years of entrepreneurship, but we opened 7 businesses in just 11 years, and we winded off, consolidated what was not working for you. So that's a story by itself. I don't want to get there, but right. So whatever learnings and insights we had from all these businesses, 7 diverse businesses, IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C, franchising, Okay, so what we have done is we have this book was published in 2016. It is available on Amazon as well, the Kindle version as well, but you're getting it free, right? So let's look at the content of this book, right? So why you should be an entrepreneur, and especially in these times, COVID timelines, it is very important that you become self-reliant, okay, independent, self-dependent, okay, having no dependency on your salary, because I'm sure you must be having some expertise, and that is why you signed up for this course, knowledge digitalization, monetization and marketing business model, right? So what are the advantages of entrepreneurship? Like, how can you fund your ideas, how to execute your dreams, market your business, what is operational excellence, how do you scale up, what are other business opportunities while being employed as side hustle, social network marketing, and women entrepreneurship, right? There are a lot of these topics, and these are almost 245 pages. There are a lot of learnings. People who have read this book, they have given great reviews. So make the most of this bonus, right? So now let's look at the email. You would have received an email from InstaMojo like this, right? You have claimed your book on entrepreneurship, right? So here also you will get the link to download your bonus. Okay, here you can download your bonus, right? Other details are also mentioned there. You can connect with me on connect@Vandana Mehrotra mail ID, and this is our business number. So you can reach if you are facing any issues with respect to accessing the course, or if you're facing any issues with respect to accessing the course, or some not able to download the bonuses, then you can WhatsApp on that number. I'm sure you also agree at this stage there is no need for any direct phone calls. So I'm trying to make everything available for you in an automated manner so that we make the most of our resources, right? So you can connect on WhatsApp on that number. You have that number anyways. If you have sent us a message on WhatsApp, you have my number, that particular number, 6363 number. So any issues with respect to the courses you can not able to access, or challenges with respect to even the bonuses or the main course, please send a WhatsApp on that number, right? Now, the same way you can access all the other bonuses, right? So now let's look at the bonus number 2, right? How does bonus number 2 help you? So once you get the bonus number 2 link, which is asking right questions, right? You can download the file here, right? I'm doing it live with you so you don't face any challenges. You will also receive an email. In fact, you will also receive one more email from my connect@vandanameherotra.com. These emails are coming from InstaMojo, right? So I'm making sure that you don't miss out on the important communication. So kindly add connect@vandanameherotra.com mail ID into your primary folder, or shift that if the mail ends up in promotion folders, please move it to primary folder, or add my mail ID into your contacts so you don't miss out on important communication, latest updates on live sessions, latest marketing strategies, latest business insights. If you see a value being an associate, if you see value in being associated with me as your mentor, trainer, coach, guide, consultant, teacher, whatever you wish to call me, friend, right? Please do that. It is for your own good, right? So asking right questions. This is just a 10-page document, and you can go over this detail now. How is it going to help you? How is this asking right question? You will get clarity, and you can make the most of your investment. I don't want to call it spend. Investing on your website. Now so there is something called execution, implementation, and then there is something called strategizing, planning, right? If you simply say website bana do, and the person says yes sir, I'll make it, and you please give content. Now it's not about the content, right? It's about what value you're bringing in the marketplace, that content. So it is very important that the content is in a way your customers will like it. Your content should be in a way that is addressing the needs of your target audience. So it's just not about just writing the features of your products or services on your main page. These are all second level, third level details. Right now, the way your web presence should be, there are 6 important components of a lead generating website. The way you show up on your website, you must have a video. What your customers are saying about it, you must have testimonials, right? What is the problem you're solving, and how are your clients getting benefited from your offerings? So there are a lot of, this is just not about sending product pictures or brochures. And what happens is, even though you've invested in website, you have invested in your digital marketing spend, those things may not be working for you right now because it's not done in the right way. Okay, that is why if you are not having enough leads, you're not making sales, you're not getting enough attention on your website. Why? Because you have not done the right set of things. How the website should be oriented, right? How your web presence should be oriented. So this bonus is going to help you ask right questions, because unless you ask right questions, how many of you agree that unless you ask right questions, you will not find right answers? Do you agree? Type in the comment box what you feel about this session, right? So bonus number 3, catchy headline generator. So the moment you get the link for the catchy headline generator, you click on that link, right? And by now, so same way, all emails you are going to access the same way how I have showed you, right? You will get, let's go and look at the inbox, right? You're going to get emails immediately, and you will have the direct. So I'm making sure that you get what I promised to you in the Facebook campaign that you signed up for, right? So that is the intent of doing this video for you. Right, so now you click on this, and this is downloaded. So I'm doing it live so that you know that we are not, playing around with. Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked on the wrong. Asking right questions, right? Wrong download. Yeah, 1 second. Let's do this, right? So now when you open that, asking right questions was done. Sorry, the third one, right? Catchy headline generator. I shifted to the email, so I kind of missed that page, right? So go over this catchy headline generator, right? So you know what? It is so important. Even you have the best of the content, okay? But if you are not, having a proper headline, your content is not going to get attention, especially now when there is so much happening on the internet. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, when the first time I saw this, I was like so taken aback. There's so much happening on the internet, and why would someone care to come on my website on their own? I need to market my website. Why would someone watch my article, read on their own, find and read my article? In fact, people in your network are only not opening and reading your articles, even though you may have great content to share, because the headline is not catchy enough. Okay, it's not grabbing their attention. So look at what so much is happening, right? So many number of websites, it's in billions, right? So many internet users in the world, so many blog posts written today, right? Tweets sent today, videos put on YouTube today, photos uploaded on Instagram. It's in millions and billions, right? So it is very important that at least, whatever to get attention among so much of crowd, right? So you can do whatever you can do in your capacity to get attention. So what you can do is, create some catchy headlines, right? So this particular bonus will help you create some catchy headlines, right? And we also have like, how can you learn from your mistakes? How the must-read tips. This is a very beautiful document, and it will save you hours of going and finding it on your own. It will help you write catchy headlines, attention-grabbing headlines, right? So this is about this bonus. I'm just going to close some of my windows because this is going to slow down my system otherwise, right? Yeah. So these are the details about your bonuses. So bonus number 1, you can do it, book on entrepreneurship. Bonus number 2, asking right questions for creating your web presence. Bonus number 3, catchy headline generator. And bonus number 4 is why videos now, right? Why videos, right? So let me give you a glimpse of that as well. So you can take a call which bonus you want to go through. Okay. So just go give the details, get it. Okay. And download it. You will also get it in the email from InstaMojo. You'll also get it in the email from connect@vandanamehrotra.com. Please put my email in the primary folder so you don't miss out on important updates. I'm requesting one more time. Okay. Where is my, let me close this. I want to close this. I'm going to close this. All right. What happened to that particular bonus? Let's open it here. Okay, let's open it from the email. Right, download files. Right, so this is how you get the bonus. Right, so 14 pages, and it is going to help you get a lot of insights into why videos are important 2020 and beyond. So this is bonus number. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, I'll repeat all of this again. So the moment you click on this why videos now, it is going to open up this, fill in the details. You will receive an email like this. You have, or from the download option, right? So download, I have downloaded the file. And once you click on the download, this is what this particular bonus is all about, giving you an insight into you having a sense of urgency to create your videos. It is just 14 pages. Just go over it because it will give you enough insight on why you should be making videos now. So these are all the details about your bonuses, right? So final input, only one bonus at a time. Access it, complete it, tick it off, then move to next bonuses. So these are the things that I had about bonuses. Now, let's look at how many of you are having challenges while accessing the pre-recorded course. Now, some of you have mentioned that videos are not playing, right? So if videos are not playing, there is issue at your end. You can get it resolved with teachable support, either the device connection, there's a problem with the device, your browser, or network connection. Okay, because many over thousands of people are going through this course already. Let me show you that as well. And some of you are not able to access. I understand your browser requirements, you know, your system is not meeting the browser requirements. So that could be a possibility. See, look at this. There are thousands of people. In just 2 weeks of our campaign, there are almost 850 people who have registered, right? So there are thousands of people going through the course, okay, already. So there you must be, I have already put a note. The link to reach out to the support team is given in the YouTube description below. Okay, you can actually have a look at that. Okay, let me show you this is the course in the pre-recorded course, right? Since some of you have mentioned in the comments that you're not able to play the videos, I actually went ahead and gave the details by responding to that. In fact, I've also put the details here. Videos not playing, what to do, right? I'm just giving you a glimpse. So you are, I'm just trying to make it very easy and comfortable for you so you don't get stuck, right? So this is the link where you can go and check why the videos are not playing for you, or you can also write at this email ID and get your issues resolved. All right. So this is about the course. Now let us look at what are the contents of the courses and how is it going to help you, right? What this course knowledge, digitalization, monetization, and marketing business model, how is it going to help you, right? So I'm just going to go back here. Give me a moment, guys. I just have to make this free preview and publish it. It's already published, I guess, and publish it. Now you will be able to see this, okay? Preview. Right? So let's look at what are the content of this, right? So you will see there are a lot of I see there are common challenges people face. I have also faced in the last 4 years when I wanted to create my own personal brand. So I was doing Facebook campaigns, but they were not working for me. A lot of money was simply going wasted. So what I realized is it was not about simply running a Facebook campaign. That there are two aspects of the digital, how to make the most of your digital presence. Okay, one is marketing. I'm going to do a stop share because I'm talking something here. So there are two aspects, right? One is execution of your marketing strategies first. See, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, these are all tools. Now there is a way to set up your things on this tool. So that's called execution, implementation, right? Many people know how to do that. Now, even before you go there, there is one step before, which is strategy, strategizing, right? That how you will make sure that you generate the leads, they come into your system, you're communicating with them. So there are some steps to be done before even you go for digital marketing using these tools. And that was the challenge, because if you don't take this step, whatever money you're spending for your digital marketing will go waste. Now, what is more important is the content that you put on these campaigns, right? In a manner that your target audience can understand, and creating at the value you are bringing in their lives has to be communicated. The value your business is bringing into their life has to be communicated, right? So that content, right, relevant, risk-free content is very important. Then your credibility is very important. Why should someone come to you? Why they should learn from you, right? What is the right you have earned to tell someone what to do, right? Is it your own success, or you have provided success in someone else's life? So all these things people see, right? And what does your existing customers talk about you, right? Now, I understand if you're a beginner, you may not have these testimonials and all, but doesn't matter. But still, there is an approach to all these things, right? So very important that even before you start putting money in Facebook campaigns and saying Facebook does not work, this is not working, I lost money, you're not doing some things right. There are 8 pieces to the digital puzzle. And it's not necessary that you have all the 8 pieces when you begin. But when you are ready to have a serious business, a business which is ready to be scalable, then you need all the 8 pieces. Otherwise, whatever pieces are there, they need to connect at the right place for this whole digital game to work for you. So I talk about those 8 pieces of the digital puzzle in the course, right? So apart from that, whatever challenges I have personally faced, I cover some of them here in this session. Your growth blockers, overcoming your growth blockers, then how to shift your game and change the game plan, right? And then what is the success blueprint for knowledge givers in this internet age, and how to get clarity on your positioning, your niche, right? And then what it takes to build your digital estate. Why should you own a digital estate? And then it's the complete blueprint of how to make this online thing world for you, how to build your influence, how to have a proper sales strategy, right? So there are, and see, I talk about 5 pillars of the five most important pillars of digital marketing in this videos, right? And I tell some motivation, goal setting, and a very powerful video. So there's a lot of things in this course. Earlier, I used to be selling this course for 3,000 rupees, though the list price is 9999. But the value here is minimum 10 times the way it has been priced. But for you, you have got it free. So please do make the most of this course. This course is complete in itself. Okay, you will get enough pointers to shift your direction and be on that direction and learn. Okay, how else can you make the most of this course? Join my live sessions every Tuesday at 9 p.m. I do live sessions where I will address your challenges. If you have some questions when you went through this course, some doubts, some clarification, please join my live sessions Tuesdays 9 p.m. The details are given in the YouTube description below in this video. All the links for bonuses, I'm making links handy for you. Everything is given in detail in this YouTube description below. All I'm requesting is please make the most of this opportunity being made available to you. I know a lot of people think that nothing comes from free because of your past experiences. I do understand that, but there are always exceptions. Okay? So this is really a valuable course. It will shift the way you think, but all you need to do is get started. Okay, how many of you agree that knowing is not going to give you results? Applying your knowing, that is taking actions, will give you results, right? So let me quickly summarize. So you can connect with us on WhatsApp if you are having issues with any support related issues. Now, we may not be able to respond immediately. Okay, we'll try our best to respond as soon as possible on that. You can write an email to us. You have the mail IDs, all the details you would have received from our email, and those details are also there in the mails that you receive from our payment gateway, right? So all you have to do is put our email in the primary folder, store our number, store our WhatsApp number as KDM Vandana or whatever the way you want to store. Why? Because sometimes we see that if you're not storing the numbers, whatever links we are sending you, they are not clickable. So it becomes very cumbersome for you to go and type it. So kindly, if you see value working with me, we don't spam. Only if you're interested to work with us, you will receive our emails. And whenever you would like to unsubscribe and you don't see any value, please do that, right? But for the time being, kindly add our number into your contacts as KDM, Vandana, or whatever way you want to store, so that we're trying to make it very easy for you and easy, simple, and handy. Click on the email. Emails also put it in the primary folder or add our email ID to your contacts, right? So that's about, see, the advantage of pre-recorded courses is you can keep on revisiting the concept, right? So if you now for the live sessions, I would ideally expect you to finish the course and then come for the session. But irrespective of whether you got time to finish the course or not, you can still come for live sessions, because those who have completed, they will have questions or in general business questions, and you can learn from the insights that are being given on their questions. So I'm making it very flexible for you. Okay, I just want you to make the most of what I want to offer to all of you, what I want to contribute in your lives, right? So advantage of the pre-recorded courses is you can revisit the concept again and again, right? And the advantage of live sessions is you have someone to talk to, whatever you're going through, express that, whatever challenges you have, right? So I also cover the must-have digital tools and systems in the pre-recorded courses, and how various tools integrate and work together, right? So that's a very powerful course. Take advantage of both the pre-recorded sessions and also the live sessions. So how many of you would like to connect with me on live sessions every Tuesday at 9 p.m.? Now, it's called Business Satsang, and the link to join is also given in the YouTube description below, right? So now I understand many things are happening in your life and you may forget about these live sessions. So you will receive automated calls from us. You will receive automated calls from us to make sure that if you have time, you can join the sessions. These sessions happen every Tuesday at 9 p.m., right? So that's about it. This course is complete in itself. You will have enough ideas, hacks, strategies, pointers that will help you grow. Just get started, complete the course, join live sessions, make this your priority, and take actions. So how many of you agree that only actions will give you results? Right? Right. So if you have any trouble accessing the course, videos not loading, all those details are also given in the link below. I'm making it handy for you. So that's all from me. Just check out the YouTube description of this video. It has all the details. And I look forward to connecting with you over our live sessions. Enjoy the course, keep growing, keep evolving. Take care.